Hello students, now continuation on numericals. Exterior, interior, sum already I have done. Next one, if this is in this form. Okay. Here it is told that find each interior and each exterior angle of a polygon of side n. In previous problems you have seen that you had to calculate number of sides. Here number of sides mentioned. Clear? So number of sides given. Number of side 9. It is given. What to calculate? Each interior angle. Now I will apply the formula of each interior angle. What is the formula? Sum 2n minus 4 into 90 degree by number of sides. Here in 9 number of sides given 9. Okay, so 2 into 9 minus 4 by 9 into 90 degree. 18 minus 4, 14. 14 into 10. You will do the calculation. One step I have jumped. So you will do it yourself. It is coming 140 degree. Clear? This is each interior angle. Now each exterior angle. When you learn the formula, you will see it is very easy. Only you will apply the formula, you will get each exterior angle. That formula is 360 degree by n. So 360 degree, n means 9. 40 degree. Achha, from here I am telling you one thing. I have told in theorem formula maybe 3, yes maybe 3, that sum of each interior and each exterior is 180 degree. So in interior each interior I had got 140 degree. Now each exterior I am getting 40 degree. Now when I am adding, it is coming 180 degree. So this formula is verified here that you are correct. Sum of each interior and each exterior is 140 degree. Clear? And next type. Here it is told that if the sum of the interior angles of a polygon is equal to the sum of the exterior angles, then find the number of sides of the polygon. Okay, here it is told that sum of the interior angles of a polygon is equal to the sum of the exterior angle of the polygon. Okay, so I am writing what informations are given. It is told that sum of the interior angles equals to sum of the exterior angles of a polygon. It is told. What is the formula of sum of the interior angles? 2n. So according to the problem, 2n minus 4 into 90 degree. This is the sum of interior angles. And sum of exterior angles, sum is 360 degree. Always it is 360 degree. Then you have to calculate number of sides. So 2n minus 4 equals to 360 degree by 90 degree. Degree will be cancelled out. So 4. So 2n equals to minus 4 plus 4, 8. N is coming 2. sorry, 8 divided by 2, 4. Yes. So number of sides of the polygon is coming 4. Clear? So you will keep it in mind that sum of the exterior angles always 360 degree. Clear? Now diagonal we will calculate. You will get from your book so many sums of this type you will practice. Next one, it is told that find the number of sides of a find number of diagonals, not sides, sorry, number of diagonals of hexagon. So at first, to solve this you have to know what is hexagon. Hexagon means number of sides 6. So here n equals to 6 and formula of number of diagonal. N into n minus 1 by n minus 2. This is the formula. So hexagon means 6. 6 minus 1 by 6 minus 2. 6 cancel out. 6 minus 1 means 5. 5 minus 2 means 3. So I am getting here no, here that is not, this is 2, sorry, this is 2. N into, formula is number of diagonals, n, this is my mistake, n into n minus 1 by 2 minus 2. So n is this, so this is coming 3. Okay, I am doing 3, 6 minus 1 means 5. 15, 15 minus 12 means 13. Number of diagonals is coming 13. Sorry students, if in previous video when I was writing that formula of number of diagonals, if by mistake I had written there n, please you change that, okay, make it 2. Please change that. In online class also I will tell you, I will give you reminder that will be 2, not n. It is my mistake, sorry. N is 6. 6 into 6 minus 1 by 2 minus 2. So 2 3s are 6. 6 minus 1 5. 5 into 3 15. 15 minus 2 13. Clear? In this way you can do yourself. So this was find the number of sides, find each interior angle, each exterior angle of a polygon, or each exterior angle given, find number of sides, or each interior angle given, find number of sides. If you memorize the formula, you can do it by yourself, no problem. Very easy sum, you have to practice it, okay. And in last online class, some of the students have forgotten who told me that you are having some problem in middle term factor. Clear? So some harder sums in next online class I will do it in online class, and next one in next video you will get some revisional part of middle term factor. Clear? As some of the students have told that they are facing some problem, and to solve some harder sums I will do it in online class, and some revisional video, some problems, easy problems for the beginners I have done, I will do in next revisional video. Clear? So up to this, first you revise the theorems, then you practice the numericals, and this is the important chapter, that is theorem number 8. You revise this theorem and do the numericals from your book. There are so many numericals, okay. It is interesting also. And this theorem, if by mistake I had written n, please you change it, it will be 2. Okay, in online class I will give you the reminder. Bye.